drives by itself. Push the button. Here, come here. We're gonna start back here. Okay, drive to mommy. Push the button to mommy. Push it again. Make it drive. Lily, push the button. It'll go by itself. You're driving.
Woohoo! You're driving all by yourself, Lily.
Go. Go see mommy on your phone. Go push the button to mommy.
Can you drive your car over here?
You have to sit down and push the button. And hang on. You should try it. Sit down and push the button. It makes it drive. Here, Daddy's gonna help you.